Hey everyone, welcome to DiscoveryDock. Today, we're comparing the top 5 blenders under £150 on Amazon UK. Whether you're a smoothie lover or need a powerful kitchen assistant, we've got something for you. From quick single-serve options to nutrient-packed extractors, stay tuned to see which blender fits your lifestyle. Our number 5 pick is the Ninja 700 Watt Slim Blender, perfect for those who need a quick and easy blend on the go. With its 700 watt motor and Ninja blade technology, it can crush ice, frozen fruits, and even tough veggies. The best part? It's easy to clean, with all parts being dishwasher safe and BPA free, ensuring a smooth and safe experience every time. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use blender, Ninja delivers a solid performance. At number 4, we have the Breville Blend Active, designed for speed. With its 350 watt motor, this blender can effortlessly blend frozen berries, ice, and liquids. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you want a smoothie in seconds. The 600 milliliters Blend Active bottle is portable and comes with a leak-proof lid. You can just blend, grab, and go. Plus, with easy clean dishwasher-safe blades and bottle, this blender makes healthy living a breeze. It's an excellent choice for anyone who values convenience without sacrificing performance. Our number 3 pick is a bit different, the Russell-Hobbs hand blender. This 200 watt blender is compact, affordable, and perfect for small blending tasks. It comes with 2-speed settings, making it versatile enough to blend smoothies, soups, or even baby food. The detachable blending leg and stainless steel blades make cleaning simple and efficient. Although it's not designed for large quantities, it's great for quick, small blending jobs. For its price and ease of use, it's a fantastic budget-friendly option. Coming in at number 2, the philipsblender 3000 series is all about versatility. With a 9L jug and a powerful 450 watt motor, it's ideal for family-sized portions. This blender boasts Philips ProBlend technology, combining motor, blade, and jug design to crush ice and blend smoothly in just 45 seconds. It's perfect for smoothies, soups, or even cocktails, offering plenty of space for larger quantities. The included Home ID app offers personalized recipes, making healthy meal prep even easier. If you want a blend of power and capacity, this one is a must-have. And finally, at number 1, we have the NutriBullet 600 series. Known for its nutrient extraction capabilities, this blender is a powerhouse. With a 600 watt motor and 20,000 revolutions per minute, it pulverizes everything from frozen fruits to tough seeds and skins, giving you silky, smooth, nutrient-rich smoothies. The 7-piece kit includes different cup sizes, lids, and comfort rings, making it highly versatile. Whether you're blending a post-workout shake or prepping a quick smoothie, NutriBullet is your go-to for effortless, fast results. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean. Just rinse the blades and pop the cups in the dishwasher. So there you have it, 5 fantastic blenders, each with its own unique features. Check out the links in the description for more details and current prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching.